The next number up today is 37, speaking of people who wake up and do the opposite of what those two Nobel Prize recipients do. That's the number of days that Kim Jong-un, 37, since he's been seen in public. Poof, gone, vanished. Nobody knows where he is. Now, it's kind of important that we know where he is because North Korea is a country where, one, the United States is still technically at war, where there are 20,000 troops on the border with North Korea and South Korea with guns pointed towards the north, and which has nukes that can hit the western part of the United States. So we kind of need to know where he is. And there are all sorts of rumors. Is he dead? Is he sick? Is he in jail? Has he become a cast member of The Walking Dead? Well, any of those, well, the first three are possible because he has lots of enemies. Apparently, he had his uncle killed for trying to mount a coup against him and fed to the dogs. So hopefully, Mr. Kim Jong-un will reappear sometime soon, or North Korea will have to go back on our long list of things to worry about in 2014. And we're trying to take things off because we already got Ebola and ISIS and a whole bunch of other stuff, Mariah Carey, and Nick Cannon. So hopefully he'll reappear.